22 Keowee Bay, just a little over half an acre. We've got a great lot here. If you're looking for a flat site, and I mean the entire lot is pretty much flat, such an easy build site. In fact, it's got an old road bed that cuts in on this side. That's going to make it easy to access. But the lot goes from, as you saw, go back down to the left here, the vehicle that you see down the road, that's one lot line. As you come all the way down, this one's got a ton of frontage. It goes all the way down to where the dip in the road is. We've got that side marked as well. So there are only really 3 property pins because it angles back. As you can see behind me, the lot has nice hardwood trees, mixture. You've got some beautiful mountain laurel in there. There's some wild blueberries and a number of things. And this does actually come with a boat slip as well that you will see when we get over to the boat slip area. So let's take a walk in. We're going to walk into the build site area, take a quick look at that, and then we'll head over to the boat slips. Here we are. As I said, there's a road bed that comes right into the property. You could actually do a circle drive if you wanted to get in and out of here, but again, look at the trees, very nicely covered, mostly hardwoods, a tremendous amount of mountain laurel throughout the property that would make very nice landscaping. In fact, you look over here to this side, look at that mountain laurel bush. That thing's got to be probably 15 feet high. That's been there for a while, and you know, just a great setting. So the neighboring house is already in on one side. You have a dip between us on the back side here, so you're not going to have really see anybody on that side of you. So you're going to get a lot of privacy on this lot due to how wide it is. So let's head over to the boat slip area now. We'll check that out, and then after that you can watch the aerial video. We are at the picnic shelter area, and the beauty of this, as far as distance to your boat slip, you're only talking about probably 100 yards total from this structure. So if you want to get over here, enjoy this, maybe have a cookout during the day, picnic area, whatever, come down. You've got a sandy beach right down at the bottom of this. Have the kids come over here, swim, paddleboard, whatever. And then easy access over to the boat slip. Now these slips all the surface has been done with Trex. It's new, been done in just a couple years ago. And the slip for this particular lot number is number 38, right down here on the left. Way out here at the end, so the water is extremely deep. And a very easy access coming in and out because this would be the slip right here. So just an absolute wonderful opportunity up here on the north end of the lake. If you have any interest, give us a call at 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video, and what a beautiful day.